Okay, hi, welcome to another technology video. So today we're going to be having a look at the new Inspiron 15 5000 series laptop from Dell. It's a Windows 10 home 64-bit machine with 8 GB of memory, 512 M.2 PCIe NVMe solid state drive, and it's got a 15.6 Full HD anti-glare screen. This is for a customer of ours who is going to be working from home a little bit more, so they wanted something that was going to be suitable for them, and this is what we came up with. It's not the first one we found. The first one we found was a business grade machine, but that was a little bit more expensive, and he doesn't need to have Windows 10 Pro on there. He's not going to be joining a domain or anything like that. So Windows 10 Home is absolutely fine for what he needs. So let's have a look at what we get in the box. So of course we get the standard power brick. So this is a 65 watt power adapter. Nothing special about that. And we should have a UK plug in here, which we do, so we'll have a look at that later. And then in the main part here is the laptop itself. So let's have a look at this. So one of the reasons we went for this was because they had it in stock for next day delivery. A lot of the laptops on the Dell website at the moment, you've got to wait 16 to 20 days for delivery, and that's a little bit too long. So what have we got in terms of ports? Okay, so on the laptop itself, this is quite nice. We've got a rubber hinge cover at the back here, which looks quite neat. I presume that is because when it opens up, that rests against the table itself. Connectivity wise, we've got our power input here, we've got HDMI out, we've got our USB port here, we've got a USB Type-C there, and then round on this side we've got a headphone jack, another USB 3 port, and we've got an SD card reader. So that looks like it's a micro SD card reader. Inside the laptop itself, okay, no screen protector in there. As you can see here, the rubber on the bottom of the screen itself acts as a lift, so it raises up the back of the laptop, which gives it the ability to utilize these air holes and breather holes. Build quality is excellent, really good. So this is an i5 machine. I think I've said that already, but it's an i5, and you've got your webcam and microphone up here as well. In terms of security, so we've got our on-off switch here, which also doubles up as a fingerprint reader, and the keyboard itself, nice soft touch keys, so it's not loud and clunky when you use it. What I like about this as well is the small bezel that we've got around the sides here, and the matte finish, so it's a non-reflective screen, full HD, and the webcam is HD, although the webcam will probably be 720p, but we'll have a look at that when we get it fired up. Okay, so while the Windows updates are going in, let's just do a quick recap. So we'll do a quick review and talk about the finish of this. So the build quality is really, really good. Love it. Nice thin bezel around the screen. I really like the Dell logo on this bottom. It is white, but it looks sort of silver because you're getting a reflection off here. In the back of the keyboard, you've got some more air vents, which are down here, 2 lots. So there's plenty of airflow through the system. In terms of performance, with the 512 gig M.2 drive, it's really responsive, very quick on startup. What I would recommend, that probably what you might need to get, is if you want to plug in a network cable, then you need to get yourself a USB Type-C adapter. So get one of those USB Type-C adapters that gives you additional USB ports and gives you a network port as well, because you don't get a network port with this device. Other really nice features that I like are the rubber foot against the bottom of the screen that runs along the bottom here, and that acts as the hinge. It lifts the base up off the work surface that you're using it on to make sure that the air can breathe and you get plenty of airflow around the system. All in all, we definitely recommend this. So let's talk about the price. So this was from Dell Direct. It was £699 including VAT and delivery, which, when I compared it to the business laptops, it's pretty much a similar type of cost in terms of performance. In terms of weight, it's easily carryable. It's about 3.2 kilos. So it's quite light to carry around. You want to get yourself a nice bag to carry it around if you're going to be going out and about. Apart from that, let's have a look at the finish on the cover. So silver all the way over, underneath plenty of air holes on here. It is serviceable, so people like ourselves, we can do upgrades and repairs. So for instance, if you wanted to change the M.2 drive for something larger, as long as it supports it, then you've got the ability to do that. In terms of what else, there's not a lot else to talk about really, apart from, let's have a quick look at the camera. So I'm fairly sure this will be a 720p camera, so we can have a look. So let's see. Okay, actually that looks like a 1080p camera. So let's put it on HDR mode. So HDR auto. Doesn't actually say when we bought it, it just said it came with an HD webcam, but looking at the quality of it, that is much better than previous laptops that we've reviewed. So we did a review for a median laptop, that was pretty poor quality compared to that. That is the webcam on here is very good quality. Very impressed with that. So yeah, review wise, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for additional reviews. We've got some other Dell laptops coming up shortly, which we'll do a review of. And yeah, if you found that useful, leave us some comments below. Thanks for watching.